Welcome to my bathroom. Hi guys, time to get you on my curly hair routine because I feel like after 10 years of wearing my hair curly, I finally found a routine that works every time. So I'm gonna share it with you. So first, soaking wet hair. I use this spray bottle from Amazon. It's beautiful. It's a continuous spray bottle. I also always have like a towel or a robe on me. But my hair's getting so long, do you see that? I just press it and it sprays for like a while. Wide tooth comb, brush through. I also detangle my hair with a wet brush in the shower before I shampoo or condition anything. Leave-in conditioner. Right now I'm using this one, but you can use whatever one that you want. But you put like a decent amount on your hands and then you rake it through. Raking through is when you kind of comb through your hair with your fingers. I do about 2 pumps of this just to make sure my hair is healthy and shiny and happy. Next, my Ride or Die, the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. It's my favorite. Every time I switch to a different curl cream, I always come back to this. So you can use whatever curl cream is your favorite, but this is definitely my favorite. So I take about this much, rub it in your little hands, and then you do praying hands. Like this. So what this is doing is this is clumping your curls so that when it dries, it's drying in clumps so then it'll be a lot more defined. I put a lot on. And make sure you get the roots, my friends, now. Also, all of the products that I'm using are linked below in my Amazon storefront if you wanted to check it out. Next, mousse. Any kind of mousse. I use this one. And then I tilt my head and kind of shake out the roots. Shake out the roots so my roots aren't flat to my head. Then you flip over and do the same thing. And I also start scrunching with the mousse. Then you start scrunching away. Then this wavy talk brush, I got it because of TikTok and oh my god, I genuinely like it so much. What I do is I just do my top layers. I don't do my whole head with this, but I just take it and I brush it up like that and then scrunch. And I do that to like about 4 pieces on each side. And it like separates the curls as you comb through it, so it really clumps it together really nice. And I just do it to the my top layers to make sure that those are really defined all the way up to my roots. Sometimes I take my bangs and I do both. If you want to really have the defined frizz-free curls, gel. I used to be so afraid of gel. It is actually a life changer. So you just take it and you just scrunch all over your head. And this is gonna make the curls dry and that beautiful gel cast. And don't worry, we scrunch it out at the end to get rid of the gel cast. And it's gonna feel kind of sticky and maybe a little bit gross, but that's also why I have a towel around my neck most of the time. You scrunch all the way up to the roots. Okay, next step, heat protect it, obviously. Because you want to take care of your hair. Make sure you use heat protectant if you are going to diffuse. You also don't have to diffuse, you can just let it dry like this. But I prefer diffusing. I feel like it gives it more of a shape and volume and like fluffiness that I like. So first you hover. Then you put your hair on both sides of you and then you just plop just the ends for a while and you do it to the other side, but you don't go all the way up yet. This is all to reduce frizz. And plop it on there first and then turn it on. Then turn it off and let go and then do it to the other side. Then what I do is I just go straight upside down and try to get my roots dry, and then I do the whole scrunchy thing up in the roots, you know what I mean? What I also like to do when I'm upside down is I like to kind of just shake my roots out, and then you just do this forever. Okay, can it still be a little bit more dry? Yes, always, but I usually stop at this point. Before I keep going, I just want to give credit to the person that I've got a lot of the tips and products from. It's Ashley Lamarca on TikTok. She got me onto a lot of products and a lot of tips, so I wanted to acknowledge her on this. Go check her out on TikTok, she's amazing. Love her. So after you diffuse or after your hair is fully dry, you're gonna take oil. Again, everything's in my Amazon storefront. And you're gonna put it on your hands and just scrunch out your hair, and you will see it like literally come to life. This is my favorite part of the routine. Put it all over your hair. Wherever you put the gel, put the oil. Just scrunch out the gel cast. I even do this when I don't put in gel and I just use the mousse. It just makes like a shinier finish. And And voila, here she is. So it's still like kind of drying, so I'm gonna get back when it's fully dry, and then you will see how beautiful and delicious it is. Okay guys, here's my hair after it's basically fully dry. She never misses. Look at the shape, look at the curls, look at the definition, look at the lack of frizz, look at it all. Here's the back. Soft, fluffy, bouncy curls. Obsessed. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want to, and have a great day.